Hello everyone, RFDesign here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 1969 Copo Camaro, number 2 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Muscle Mania. Let's go ahead and open this up. So at first glance, this kind of looks like a bumblebee because of the color scheme. Basically, this is in yellow and black. A Copo Camaro, of course, a muscle car, an American muscle car. Honestly, we've seen this casting quite a while. I mean, like, we've seen it quite a bunch of times previously, including, if I'm not mistaken, the Falcon livery. This car with the Falcon livery. Yeah, it returned again in this color. I don't know why, but maybe they want to make it seem like Bumblebee, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, it kinda seems like a Bumblebee, to be honest. Let's take a look at the car itself. So here's the Copo Camaro in yellow. As you can see on the side, pretty clean. Just has this black stripe on the side. This is Camaro right there. You have 5-spoke wheels with some silver, chrome silver outlines. For the front, you do not have headlights. They didn't color the headlights, but they do have a grille. They have one massive black stripe on the front, on the hood. Where's the back? Totally empty. We have nothing to discuss about this. Said it a bunch of times. When it comes to Hot Wheels, when they have side or any type of decal in the front or maybe the back, they'll forgot. It's not actually forgot or forget. They just will get lazy and just remove everything. Yeah, I forgot to show the basic. 69 Copo Camaro 2019 Mattel made in Malaysia. Yeah, by the way, the base is in black, well as the interior. And yeah, there you go. That's it for my review of the 1969 Copo Camaro. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in the other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.